guys, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's my day off, so we go to Clark right now to have a eat, not ground. So let's go. This is the park. You can walk here, so we gonna go to park to eat. Also, Filipino go here to have eat, picnic ground. If you ride a car or motor here in Clark, you need to follow the rules here so that you don't have problem here. Sure they can park right now. Hi guys, most of people here they park here. Take a look. So many space to park your car and motor, so that you can jogging here and walk. It's so good place here to walk. So nice and so silent and so many sunny fresh here.
Yes, so many people jogging here.
So we can go to park.
Yes.
And eat. So let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I think busy in the park today. You see, so many people go to park. I hope we can find table for seat.
Okay, we can sit also in the
2 years with this park is closed. Ah, okay. But most of people park there. Maybe they don't know about another parking place. Yes? Ah, another one. Не требуется. No, up to you if you want to
What do
sit.
you want there?
No, I think
Oh.
okay.
15 of 20. We bought some chicken inasal in inasal.
Chicken in a sal in a sal.
Yes,
No,
it's
it's okay.
inasal.
Yes,
And
this
then
one in a sal.
also drink in 7-Eleven. It's most popular in Philippines because it's so cheap, and if you go to the restaurant you can also order only rice. It's good also.
In a sal, you
Ah.
can order also unlimited rice.
Yes,
Yes.
it's unlimited rice, and also have palabok there, and halo-halo also there.
So, Philippine people like halo-halo, palabok, and chicken in a sal. Yes.
It's most people buy this one. And
Number PM1. Yes, PM1.
number PM1.
And how much you pay for one?
You know how much this one?
No, about 110,
Ah,
110
it's
peso
115 with already drink.
with drinks.
Yes,
We
already.
bought without drinks. Yes.
It's also big chicken.
No, yes, big chicken leg.
It's delicious also. That's why I'm so hungry right now.
But in your work, you what do you eat in your work?
Chicken also,
Also chicken. Yes.
but it's only McDo.
So you don't like McDo because you work in McDo and every day you eat.
I like McDo. That's why I work McDo. But I like to eat right now.
Okay,
It's
you
not the same.
okay. You eat first.
Oh, it's good ambience right now. Good place right now.
Yes, and not hot, not cold. Little bit wind. Silent.
Maybe they don't know this road, this place, because they go always in the big park.
No, because parking, we don't know where park car.
I like
Okay, let's see.
it.
Shire always dance.
This is where people drag for lard. So if you see it stop, means you need to stop. Because so many police here. If they see that you're not following, they will ask your license and they will take it. Good for walk here. Most of people SX. So they preparing the road right now. It's so traffic. So many people in the back because they're filming right now in GMA. It's good, guys. Barangay Kalumpang, Bulacan City. Hello. Need more power here if you use on bike. And also worker from Clark, they use this road to go to Bamban. This is the shortcut way to Bamban. Stop right now because I don't know, have event right now.
Ah, it's filming here, filming.
Yes. Also in this place you can see the big cross in the top of that place. Cross. They call it grotto. This place. It's so sad. So sad. After we go to Banban, we go to Mabalacat. So many vendors also here for clothes, food, vegetable, and also municipality of Mabalacat, where mayor's office. Looking, have Robinson also here, and church, and also have residents also there. Go to another. market near our home. Also have Skytech here. And also police have checkpoint also here. They stop here and then they checkpoint all people, motorists. Oh, I'm also barking right now. It's Thursday. So we go to McDo right now